I've always wanted to go on that big wheel. Maybe one day. Y'all, I'm like shaking. I'm so shaking, but this is actually really cool. We're up so high. This is crazy. Oh yeah, it's Christmas time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Drop it to the floor. Hey, hey. Look, it's snowing in Florida. Whoa, hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see behind me, I'm at Icon Park. And we got invited out to check out the holiday celebration here. There's so much going on here at Icon Park. And I think already I'm excited because it's snowing. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's lots of snow. Or snow. But yeah, we're gonna check out everything they have here for the holidays. So if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun. So we just walked in the wheelhouse. This is where we checked in. And this is like the midsection of the park where we got everything going on. The entrance to the Orlando Eyes right there. Check this out. They got a carousel for the kiddos. Or the whole family, right?
Yeah, not just the kiddos, but I feel like...
Yeah, big kids like.
I feel like we need to go ride this.
There's a oh yeah, there's a dragon. Right behind you, there's a dragon.
I almost went on the dragon.
I think that might say your name, yeah.
Wave hi, Becca.
She's having the time of her life.
Yeah, she's having a great time. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Oh my god.
Yes, Merry Christmas. Look at the tree. It's so pretty, and I bet you at night it looks even better. I love this tree. Man group, remember from Universal? I guess they're going to be on the other side of there. But yeah, that's awesome. Eventually. I'm ready. Sing and dance. Hey. See, now that is how you...
When the saxophone breakdown.
There you go. Snow in the background and all. There you go, guys. Come on out and have a good time. Look what's coming here. Ripley's Crazy Golf. I thought it already opened, but I didn't see the coming soon right in front of my face.
Neither did I.
We don't know how soon.
And look. A little behind the scenes. Coming soon to Icon Park. All you gotta do is get a hole-in-one. Did you guys know Icon Park was so big, guys? I had no idea. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's huge.
Is that a 7D theater?
Yeah, inside the wheelhouse.
7D, what are they gonna do? Touch you?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, I've never seen that.
Shake you, douse you with water.
Oh, that's I've seen
Water
4D and 3D, but not 7D. Wow. Looks like they're open 10 to 6. Sea life. I've never been here, but we're gonna go inside and check it out. Yeah, my first time. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm really excited because I've never been to a sea life aquarium before, and I heard Legoland Florida Resort. They just opened up one. We're at Legoland, so I'm excited. Hello. Oh.
Thank you, enjoy.
Look at these Lego creations. Those are cool. There's a map of the place. Looks pretty big. I can't swim.
Is that only a fruit? Yes. I'm on it right here, and I got you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get out of here. You have a VR experience? I love like you get a photo op as soon as you walked in. That was cool. Oh wow.
Looks like you got a very
Nemo? You want to find them? No. Can't find them. Diving down to the ocean caves. Why? So I can get stuck? That is actually really cool. And you're surrounded, aren't those things poisonous? Lionfish? I'm under the water. I can't. Oh my gosh. I don't want that near me. I'm getting out. When you go underwater, don't swallow it, please. I swallowed way too much. Actually, I gotta pee. They kind of look like floating pickles. Well, some of them do. Maybe I'm just craving a pickle.
I think you are craving a pickle.
I love pickles, actually. I do. There's so many ways to eat them, you know, you can fry them.
Yeah, they're...
Exactly. Actually, that's a good way to eat pickles too. Fun fact there for you. Santa Jaws. He's so cute. Oh, poor Gingy. Looks like the shark wanted an early holiday treat. I don't know. I'm feeling crummy about that situation. This is too cool.
With an extreme water. Two in aquariums, like lots of underwater.
I did not like the floor with the water.
That is cool.
I got scared for a second. I thought it was a stingray.
Look at the man of the hour.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
By the exit.
Okay, perfect. We will see you there.
Absolutely. Bye, Santa Shark.
Bye, Santa Jaws.
Santa Shark?
Santa Shark, Santa Jaws.
Santa Jaws? Is that what it is?
You never know who you're gonna see underwater. Oh, they have a touch tank, guys. This is awesome. No way. This is cool.
So maybe if you touch this one, you make it a little sticky.
Oh.
It's grabbing it.
Yeah.
You're pulling on the thing from this stuff. It's with grabbing. We're strong enough. You don't like it.
Look who it is. Oh, I love the look. Very festive. I guess we're gonna check out the wax museum. That must be pink. Here's the hours of operation.
Join the army, David.
I wasn't expecting this.
Kamala? Joe? Leo?
Oh, Mama! Oh my God! The chair is really comfortable.
It's a really comfortable chair.
Oh, I wish you were still here. That would be so cool to meet you. Walt Disney himself. This is insane. Like, look at this. It looks so real. Pharrell, Riri, come on now. And then Dua, come on. Martin, oh my gosh, Elvis. And look at Beyonce. Get out of here. Jimmy. No way. Oprah. Sophia.
This entry's getting ominous. I'm like, are we getting this like ominous now?
Oh, I love it.
Bordering on haunt territory.
This is not bad. It looks like Lex has lost control of this to the door to start your mission. Go.
Oh, get out of here.
Okay, this is rad.
That is too cute. Where's Donkey? I would, but I'm not in the mood to cry. I don't want to sit in a giant onion. This is a cute photo walk. They even got Gingy over there hanging out. Perfect. We finally found our spooky stuff. That was perfect. A lot. Oh man. You are a legend. Where's your light up finger, yo? Where are all my Swifties at? Swifties! Hey! This was amazing. Very, very cool to check out. I got this huge arcade. But I think I would run into something. Not really big on arcade games, but my nephews would love this place. And it's huge. It goes all the way around back the way we came in. It's a nice size one. And it's here, guys. All aboard! Okay. The Pearl Express. Oh, ain't that cute? Look how they got the front decked out.
That's so cute.
That is cute. There ain't no way adults get up in this thing. How am I feeling? I'm in the holiday spirit. I'm telling you. This is why y'all need to come to Icon Park and get on the Pearl Express. I bet this is the oldest group you took around.
Good. All aboard.
Ho ho ho! It's snowing. Merry Christmas. Made it back. Go ahead and get on the trains with your kiddos. It's a good time. Go ahead. Alright friends, things are about to get very interesting in this place. There's going to be a lot to see and do in here. And of course this is just one of the many things that we've done here at Icon Park. Oh, look at the snowman. That's pretty. Cute. Wow, this is really nice. It's like a party room. And it's also decked out for the holidays. Love that.
Got her on silver platter.
Oh my goodness.
She gave you your mother darn sausage.
These walls are getting. Oh my god! Now I felt. It felt kind of weird. It's not working? Wait, that's a regular camera.
That's regular. Yeah, ours are over there.
Huge.
Right?
Over there, it looks fine.
And now it's teeny tiny little girl.
Oh. Oh, okay, I see it now. That's great. Yeah, keep it going, keep it going.
I thought I was only with 2 people today. Apparently, there's a whole group. Oh.
Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a family channel. Oh my god! Getting very, very sleepy. Museum of Illusions. What can I say? Awesome place. You guys got to check this place out. So much fun. So much fun. We're about to get on the big sky wheel. I'm so nervous. This big Orlando wheel. Oh man. Alright, so we just got on.
I'm scared.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
So we can connect. This is great. So apparently, this to your phone is way up.
There's that universe. Wow, that's crazy how close we are. Wow.
Top off and turn it.
Guys, this is no joke. There's
We're not there,
Hey.
unfortunately.
Yes, over there I have
That's the
we're up so high. This is crazy.
SeaWorld.
Y'all, I'm like shaking. I'm so shaking, but this is actually really cool. Okay, we're at the top, so I'm gonna show you 360 real quick since we're like on the top. Isn't this crazy, y'all? Oh my
Very
goodness.
tempted to be like, I'm gonna go again. But like, not cheap either.
I've never seen such a cuddly Christmas tree. All the little teddy bears. I love all the photo ops in here too. It's cool. Yeah, I mean, come on, a big polar bear,
Come into the desk.
big old
This whole
teddy
room
bear.
is really their selfie room. They spend 5 minutes in here before they come in to see Santa.
Right?
Oh my gosh. It's the man of the season, Santa. Oh, this is too cool. But yeah, you guys definitely gotta come over here, take a bunch of selfies, and end the day with a picture with Santa himself. Thank you so much, Santa. Have a great day. Merry Christmas. So overall, as you can see, there's so much to do here. You guys gotta come out here. And I like how they have a lot of holiday stuff going on too. The snow and meeting Santa and all the photo ops. It's cool. It's such a vibe. Definitely a good place to come. Highly recommend you guys coming out to Icon Park for sure for the holidays. But anyways, I thank my friends for joining me, and I thank you all for tuning in for another Davey video because, oh gosh, I love the holiday season, and I'm so glad I could bring you guys along. Anyways, bye sir forever. See you later.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.